So again, it's really important to show me that you have the multiplying dividing factors involved here. Now you can come up with your own fraction, but this is going to be in reduced terms. Okay, so we need to figure out what is the greatest common factor that we can reduce the top and bottom by. Now there's two ways to do this, and I actually want you to try to do it in this way. So we can do it with prime factors if you like, but I'm going to do it with, if I recognize that there's a 6 common here, I'm going to show that I have a common factor of 6. Okay, now we can show it as a common factor of 2 on top and bottom and a common factor of 3 on the top and bottom, but it's easier just to show it as a common factor of 6, and then our reduced fraction is 2/3. Okay, so this is the way I prefer you do it. I want you to start getting used to doing it this way. However, if you still want to use the multiplier divisor like this, so looking at this, okay, figure out what my greatest common factor is. My greatest common factor is going to be 8, and do divide by 8 to get 3/4. That's perfectly okay as well. Okay, so either way, hey, you want to do this, I want you to show me that multiplying dividing factor. Okay, so this one here, the greatest common factor involved here looks like to be 6, so I'm going to write it this way, 6/6. Okay, and then it's going to be 6 times 6. Okay, it's going to be 6 times 11. Those times 6 divide 6. Remember, times on top, divide on bottom. Times and divide undo each other. So we're just left with 6/11. Here it looks like, again, the greatest common factor is going to be 6. So we'll write it as times 6 divide 6, which will cancel. Okay, and then we're going to end up with times 5. 6 times 12 is going to give us 72. And again, if we see that we still have common factors involved in here, that's okay. We can just do one more step and reduce it. But if you can find the greatest common factor, then you can save yourself a little bit of work. Okay, so we end up with 5/12. Okay,